Within the zip, there are many different files. 2 setup files for the client and the server, many FCE files for the effects, and 1 fclick file to activate the effects. You can either install both server and client on one PC or on separate PCs connected via wireless LAN or LAN. Right here in this video I will install both server and client on one PC. Let's start with the Firecube server installation by double-clicking on the .exe. Now we install the client too. Double-click and follow the instructions.